guys? I don't know, say it's a girl Cece from I still by myself and I don't know what's about to happen. Prank time! So guys, don't watch me here, I'ma cut it. So now watch it length and how it stays some short sometimes. Don't watch it guys, but me don't know, so I sit down in the tight, so you're right down there. So before me start guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe, because I'm gonna ask Christ if this now go epic. So guys, as I sit down in the title today, I'm gonna do the walk dance and then I pass out. Because I say somebody do the faint prank on Nathan and it never go well. So guys, I'm gonna do the walk dance and then my faint. So yeah guys, so just like, share, comment and subscribe. Palm comment section with Team C, so you don't know say me have it. When you see say I'm gonna prank for me well, film time and now. So I'm gonna take too long, I'm gonna set up the camera, go on with myself, and guys, I don't really know how to do the walk dance something, so I'm gonna do something. But I just want to get him reaction guys. I don't know, so I do it for only, so just big up on yourself. Please remember that we are doing post notification shout out. Watch the ads them guys. Chuck and pan it. Make sure you don't comment first. Make sure you first, so you'll be able to get a shout out in our next video. So we're out guys. Yeah. Oh. You just come over. No. What? Come here now. That's enough for. Just learn one dance a while ago.
Which dog?
You want to see some whoop or wop dance something?
I'm going to read that for you.
You see it on something there? One shot. Are you kidding me? You know for this?
Huh?
You don't know for this?
No.
You never see one for this now. This one? One, two, sorry. Come on, my teacher. Come up here. How are you doing? No, see. So? So? Tell me now.
No.
So you say nobody will have full dance and I must know it. Alright, put up your foot, sir. Put up your foot. What's it, sir? And then what's it? And then hold it.
I think we see something there.
Oh. Let's see. We stand quality. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let me see. We stand quality. We stand before. Let me see.
No.
See, no, copy.
So you watch the video before you start. So you watch the video. No. You know what you say, you want to dance, you don't know. You could dance, don't listen. Or don't listen. Tell me that dance.
Look, don't this over with up some more up so stairs, sir. Yeah, fool, you know.
Then they shoot me off there, please.
Look what I'm looking at graphic. Beer, water, after that. But anyways, come on. I got so. You drop it down. Then you go around, round.
Go around. You know yard about this.
No, you go so. You go so. You go so. Round, 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 round. You go so.
You know what?
Broke your back.
So you know to roll over too.
If you roll over?
Yeah.
You know it, so you know what.
No, I don't know it. I just remember that part they say I do
You know
something
it,
else.
so. Wop, wop. Wop, wop. Wop, wop. Ayos na mag-roll over ko. Ano na sa mag-roll over ko? So, sinabi ko na.
Good job, kid. Good job. So, hey, you want to play some fire? What else? Right. You need some milk. You need some milk.
Nathan, you see you?
You know how to do it good, Kalish. A fool. A fool is. Kalisha. Yeah, a fool. Kalisha. Kalisha. Yo. B. 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 Boy, yeah, dance. You know, say you can't dance and you have to go, yeah, B. 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 Jesus Christ. D. B. B. D. Good. Don't move, babes. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Back. You know, say you to set the camera better than that when you try it for me, man. Toothpaste work. Calby. Where you go left his slippers? Kalisha. Watch out, watch out. Ah! Run into the bed, no pain. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Nathan take over our video.